Good morning, Dr. Vikram.
Good morning.
Dr. Vikram, these days this problem of piles is very common, and today we want to have your views on this problem.
Yeah.
So please tell us first what the problem is. What is this problem of piles?
Piles is a very common problem nowadays. Basically, it is the price we are paying for the erect posture we have.
Okay.
The mankind is paying the price. It never happens in the animals, on the four-legged animals.
Okay.
And because of the continuous pressure,
Uh-huh.
and there are some veins
Mm-hmm.
inside the anal canal, and which are around the anal sphincter.
Okay.
So those veins, because of the pressure, because of the continuous strain
Mm-hmm.
or increased intra-abdominal pressure, they become tortuous,
Okay.
and that mass is called pile mass, and that
Okay.
can sometimes bleed and sometimes they are dry.
Mm-hmm.
But that piles is very much painful in some cases. If it comes out,
Mm-hmm.
or it is external piles, then it is painful and swollen. If it is internal piles, then there is only bleeding. There is
Okay.
usually no pain in the internal piles.
Mm-hmm.
Only the patient complains that whenever I go to toilet, there is a bleeding.
Okay.
So the blood comes out drip by drip. So that can be internal pile.
So what are the causes of this problem? Why this happen?
Nowadays it is happening very commonly.
Mm-hmm.
It has become very common, every household problem. The main reason is lack of fiber-rich diet.
Mm-hmm.
Previously, in early centuries, we used to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables and a lot of grains,
Natural
seeds,
food.
natural food.
Mm-hmm.
But now, the lot of bread and pasta, low fiber, even the
Okay.
cold drinks and soft drinks,
Mm-hmm.
and all these burgers and this fast food.
Okay.
This fast food is one of the reason why people are, and moreover the frozen and this uh, meat, this non-veg diet.
Oh.
Too much of non-veg diet consumption of this non-veg food.
Mm-hmm.
So noodles and pasta and pizza without any fruits and vegetables.
Okay, so unhealthy diet and lifestyle.
Irregular lifestyle, unhealthy eating habits, constipation. This all leads to constipation.
Okay.
So constipation puts a strain on the anal canal.
Uh-huh.
So that strain causes the swelling and inflammation of the veins in the canal. So they sometimes they bleed. If they are inside,
Okay.
that is called internal piles, and they don't pain, and there is only bleeding. And if they come outside, and they become swollen and they become inflamed, so that they are painful to touch. So there is itching also. Such symptoms are there: pain, itching, swelling, and they become thrombosed, like swollen and painful.
Okay.
So that these are the major symptoms and major causes of piles.
Dr. Vikram, I also want to know whether the long sitting jobs or long standing jobs like lecturers, they people more prone to this type of problem, or only the constipation is the cause?
Constipation is the major cause of the problem. Long
Okay.
sitting jobs are also sometimes because of the sweating and because of the continuous sitting posture, that can also lead
Okay.
to piles.
Okay.
But moreover, one of the major cause nowadays, sitting on the pot while holding the newspaper,
Oh.
spending too much time on the toilet seat.
Oh.
Because people keep on straining, and while they keep on sitting, and that also keeps putting pressure on the anal canal. But you should, the one tip I want to give is spend minimum time on the toilet seat. Whenever you
Okay.
want to defecate, go to toilet, just go and come back. It should the evacuation should be very fast.
Okay.
Just
One
like
should not spend.
just like animals.
Okay.
They don't spend too much time on defecation. Humans, they just keep sitting on they keep reading the
This
books
is a
and all
very
that.
these days even bathrooms are filled with newspapers and book
Yeah.
stands.
So that's not
The
what I
way.
would recommend. It's very bad habit.
Okay, if someone accidentally or somehow suffers this problem, so is there any solution in Ayurveda for this?
Piles, actually, there are so many good Ayurvedic herbs which are very good for piles. They can shrink the pile mass, they can uh, reduce the swelling and reduce the pain also,
Okay.
and actually cure the problem. In modern medicine, doctors they use the ligation, like rubber band. They tie up a rubber band and then slowly the pile mass shrinks or shreds away.
Oh.
And sometimes the laser surgery, cryosurgery, or the cauterization, so many procedures, the surgical procedure is also there. But in Ayurveda, there are some herbs which can actually go to those veins and they can shrink the pile mass.
Oh, that's great.
There are some like Kachanar Gugulu is there.
Okay.
Sanjeevani Vati we use to digest the toxins and digest the to clear the fermentation process going on in the intestines, which
Okay.
leads to constipation. So Sanjeevani Vati is there. This Kachanar Gugul actually shrinks the pile mass,
Okay.
shrinks the all type of cysts and also tumors also.
Uh-huh.
So this Kachanar Gugulu is there. There is a combination of various Ayurvedic herbs.
Uh-huh.
It's called pile of capsules. So I
Okay.
have developed this
That's
pile
very
of.
great.
So
Is there anything for pain also?
and fiber rich, this covers the pain also.
Okay.
This combination.
Okay.
And fiber rich fruits like trifla, this vara churna. There is a powder called
Okay.
vara churna.
Okay.
It contains 3 fruits powder. So they are very wonderful cleansing.
Okay.
And
Yeah,
relieves
Vara
the
Churna you
constipation
explained
and
last time.
itching,
It's
yeah.
the best colon cleanser.
So I recommend something for the hygiene also, some oil to be applied like
Okay.
nirgundi oil and kasi sadi oil we use.
Okay, these are herbal oils.
Herbal oils for applying in the anal region
Okay.
just after going, after the defecation,
Okay.
after passing the stool, one can apply.
That's
And
very great. So,
local hygiene is very important.
uh-huh.
So using this pile care package, combination of these
Okay.
Ayurvedic herbs, it helps to get rid of piles in next about 3 to 6 months.
Okay, one
The
you
symptoms
need to use
they
it
are
for.
relieved within 5 days, 7 days, 10 days.
That's very great.
Some people they apply steroidal or steroidal creams. Some people they apply the anesthetic, local anesthetic creams.
Yeah.
So I won't recommend those things because continuous application of steroids is going to worsen the situation.
That's
So
a
that is
temporary
why-
solution, but it's
That's a very temporary solution.
okay.
Once in a while is okay, but I usually oil is the best.
Okay.
Because oil is the best antibiotic, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory.
Okay.
So this sesame oil based, this nirgundi
Nirgundi,
oil, what I recommend,
okay.
and kasi sadi oil.
So, Dr. Vikram, apart from this, are there any home remedies like things like if someone is suffering very chronically, then he
There are
can
so
go-
many home remedies explained by so many people in various books and over internet also.
Okay.
But the crux of all the home remedies, the consumption of fiber-rich fruits.
Okay.
All the fruits and vegetables. Any fruits.
Following
like
natural
apples,
lifestyle.
apples, papaya, grapes, and pears, and melons. All the fruits
Okay.
and all the vegetables.
Okay.
They are all very good for piles. So if you are not suffering from constipation, you won't suffer for any attack of piles. Local application of any even sesame oil can reduce the pain and swelling.
That's very great.
Stuff heavy greasy food, cheese, yogurt, and citrus fruits like fruit juices,
Orange and
juice, lemon
lime.
juice,
Okay.
because they cause acidity sometimes. It should not be given.
Okay. Thank you very much, Dr. Vikram, for sharing such a great information. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank